Hey, how's it going? Today, you and I are going to be using a Typhur Sync Oven to make some really delicious roasted broccoli. And the best part is it takes less than 10 minutes. So you ready? Let's get into this. Okay, for this recipe, we're going to need broccoli florets, grated parmesan cheese, some avocado oil, a little bit of lemon juice, minced garlic, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of pepper. If you'd like to make this recipe, all the ingredients and measurements are down in the description of the video, along with the calorie count, the protein, the carbs, and the fat. Okay, this is going to be so easy, you're not even going to believe it. We've got our broccoli florets here. Make sure there's not any pieces that are way too big, meaning if you've got like something like that, then probably should break that down. If for anything, it just makes it a little bit harder to eat. You're gonna want to use a pretty big bowl for this because you want to be able to make sure you can mix this properly. So we're gonna add in our minced garlic, our lemon juice, our avocado oil, and when you're putting this stuff in here, be sure that you disperse it pretty evenly so you don't have to mix it up quite as much to get any of the oil and lemon juice onto what you want it on. And then we're gonna add in our salt. Next, we're gonna give this a good mix. And you want to try to get that oil and lemon juice distributed pretty evenly amongst all your broccoli here. Especially the oil, because we are going to be roasting this, so we want it to cook properly. Okay, once you got that mixed up like this, we're going to take our roasting pan. And if you don't have a Typhur Sync oven, that's fine. You can do this in a regular oven. You can do it in a Ninja Combi. You can do it in pretty much anything that has a roasting function on it, and you should be perfectly fine. The only difference is that you might have to change the size of the recipe to accommodate the size of the device. We're going to want to arrange this in here into one layer because we're not going to be mixing this around in here. And if you got any leftover stuff, you want to get that off and kind of spread it around here as well. Okay, next I'm going to turn on my oven. I'm going to set this to roast. I'm going to change the temperature to 425 degrees. And I'm going to put my timer down to about 8 minutes. Now all we got to do is start her up and wait for it to preheat. Okay, now that our preheat's done, we'll open that up, throw in our broccoli, and now we just wait. Hey, by the way, if this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. Okay, our broccoli is done. Let's check this out. Ooh, that looks good. Let's get this finished up. Okay, be real careful with this because that's going to be super hot. All right, so we're going to throw on our pepper. Be sure to get that distributed as evenly as you can. And our Parmesan cheese. I'll use some tongs to get these mixed up a little bit. You don't want to squeeze these too hard because you don't want to squish these broccolis and make them look all weird. You didn't see that? Okay, we'll throw in a little bit more of our seasoning. And then we'll be ready to plate. That broccoli came out perfect, and you can see that there was absolutely no effort involved at all. You really need to try it because when you see how good it tastes, you're going to be making it like this all the time. If you'd like a little bit more information about the Typhur Sync Oven that I used to make this recipe, I do have an Amazon affiliate link for it down in the description of the video. If you buy anything through those links, I do make a small commission, but it doesn't change the price that you pay, 1 cent. If you like this video and you're not a big broccoli person, you might like this playlist right here where I showed you how to make all kinds of different types of side items. I know you're going to find something else in there that you like, and if you do, leave me a comment and let me know exactly how it came out. Well, that's it for now. I hope to see you back again here really soon, and until that time, I'm Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.